Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on the thermometer worksheet. So this video presents a worksheet on the thermometer, and we can look upon the thermometer in a similar manner to the number line that we saw in earlier lessons. We can look upon it as a vertical number line because it has positive numbers on it, a 0, and negative numbers. Now, if you're having trouble answering some of these questions, there is a lesson on this very topic. When you get to the next slide, there is a link, and it will direct you to click on the link if you want to go to the lesson, and it will explain how to do all these examples. So let's have a look what's required here. Answer each of the following questions by using the given thermometer. Firstly, answer true or false for each of the following. Number 1. -6 degrees is less than -2 degrees. That's the symbol for less than. -1 degree is greater than -8 degrees. That's the symbol for greater than. -7 degrees is less than -3 degrees. 4 degrees is greater than -9 degrees. And 0 degrees is greater than -5 degrees. Let's have a look at the next 5 questions. If the temperature on the thermometer drops by 5 degrees, what is the new temperature? So the temperature on the thermometer is this one here, as we can see. That's what that's referring to. If the temperature on the thermometer rises by 2 degrees, what is the new temperature? If the temperature on the thermometer rises by 8 degrees, what is the new temperature? If the temperature rises from -2 degrees up to 9 degrees, how many degrees did it rise? And finally, if the temperature drops from 7 degrees down to -6 degrees, how many degrees did it drop? So this video has given us a very simple worksheet on the thermometer, which is an instrument used for measuring temperature, and we can look upon it in the same manner as a number line, only it is in the vertical position, and we can use that thermometer to answer all these questions. If you need any help, on the next slide there is a link. It'll direct you to click onto the lesson, and the lesson will explain to you how to do all these examples.